It's a 100-day cough. And then I read in my herb book that plantain, I see it growing around here, it's also called ribwort, that it's very good for the chest. So I started to heat it up in the pot. As soon as it came to the boil, turn it off. Then I put a bit of lemon and honey in it, strain it when it got cool, and I gave it to my children. I got them to do tea parties, got them interesting straws. And my eldest daughter was still wetting the bed at that time. She was about 5. She stopped wetting the bed. And then I went back to the book and it said that it's also a kidney herb.